Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Nordstrom. This video is sponsored. I want to make that very clear. It is also in the description box for you. And I'm really excited because this was just fun. I mean, anything I do with Nordstrom is fun. You know, it's one of my favorite places to shop and has been since I was a little kid. But this one is about gifts for other people, and that is just always more fun, personally, I think, to do than buying for yourself. Although, to be fair, some of this is not going anywhere. So what I did was I did some shopping, and I just have to highlight this beautiful, I love, Nordstrom just does, they do holidays better than anyone I know. Look at this beautiful bag. This is not a gift bag. This is just the shopping bag. Look at how pretty the foil. All right, so there we go. So I did some shopping, did a little bit online, a little bit in store, and we're gonna just go through the bag. Before I get into all the goodies that are in that bag, I do want to address, because of the timing of this video, shipping, specifically, of course, shipping from Nordstrom. So we all know, we should know by now, that general standard shipping is free. Now the following options are expedited, and these refer to any orders that are placed before 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I have taken advantage many times of all of these options because I think that Nordstrom's expedited shipping is incredibly reasonable for what it is. So let me make sure I'm getting this right. Second day shipping, so 2-day shipping, is $12. And next day, meaning you've placed it before 3 p.m. Eastern Time, it will be there the next business day, $20. That is incredible. I cannot go anywhere else and do overnight shipping and get that kind of rate. So yay for Nordstrom. I also want to mention that if you do have access to a Nordstrom store, they're offering in-store monogramming, and some of these pieces, you can take advantage of that, and I think it just makes a really nice extra touch for a gift. All right, so let's dive into this bag. There is a method to this madness, and the madness, or the method, which one is it? Well, regardless, what I had in mind was these are all great gifts that have nothing to do with knowing too much in particular about a person. You don't have to worry about what their favorite color is, what the size preference is, how they wear something. These are just great gifts that you can grab and give, and you don't have to worry too much about how the personal preferences, if that makes any sense. So let's start with something that I took out of the bag last night. I wore it at my favorite things party, and we're all good friends. This hat ended up getting passed around. I love soft, cozy things. I love my Barefoot Dreams cardigans. I have quite a collection. Obviously, that would make an incredible gift, but that is something where you should probably have a good idea of what size they'd prefer. Whereas a beanie, number one, is a lot lower price point. Pretty much, I think everything, actually, that I'm mentioning, by the way, is under $50. This is under $50, and it's just, I just came back from getting my hair done, by the way, so there goes that. Where does the seam go on this? Do we know? I don't know, but we were wearing this, passing it around. I don't think I'm doing this right, but I love this beanie. It is fun. It is a one-size-fits-all. Let me turn around. It's just fun. I've always wanted to get this, and every time I think about, oh, I should order the Barefoot Dreams beanie, it's sold out. It's out of season. Snatch this up. It comes in a couple of colors. It's so, I'm going to keep this on for a little while. So getting in the holiday spirit. All right, let's dig into this bag. This got, I mean, literally just pulling it right. It's got the price tag and everything on it. This had so many amazing reviews. Man or woman, depending on the color you get, I think this is a very nice gift. This is the, I'm going to say it wrong, it's spelled B-E-I-S, Beis, it's their B-E-I-S, it is their toiletry travel kit. It is a really nice, good size bag. This is fully stuffed. It's called the Dop Kit, actually. Does the tag have a way of pronouncing it on here? No, it does not. Okay, so the details on this bag. It comes in a variety of colors. I just picked a very nice neutral ivory. Has a very large zip top, which opens like a doctor's bag, which I really like. Look how big that is. Huge. You can stuff more than paper in it, I promise. Let's take the paper out. So that's what the inside looks like. There's also an additional zipper compartment inside there. That's lined with a waterproof liner. And then there's also a slip pocket on the other side. Then you have a whole other compartment on the bottom that comes with more paper. I'm just kidding. It's quite deep. Again, lined with a waterproof I think it's waterproof lining as well. You can wipe the whole thing down. I'll read you the tag because it's going to do a better job. It's a bottom waterproof compartment for staying dry, wire-framed opening for keeping shape. I just think you could put like more of your toiletry type things in here and your makeup type items here. This is not just great for travel. If you are wanting to keep all your everyday items for getting ready in one spot, this is a really great way to keep them organized. And I really am a big fan of this big, deep opening, so you don't have to go digging to find all your stuff. So great gift, under $50. Next, I'm keeping this for myself. If you've watched me for a while, you know about this brand and you know how much I've loved it. And I ran out a while back and didn't realize that Nordstrom carried it. This is from the brand This Works. They make a lot of interesting things, but what they're probably best known for are their sleeping, I'm gonna say aids. This is a little set and it comes with the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray and the Deep Sleep Breathe-In sort of roller ball. And they're also the perfect size for travel. So you can use this at home, you can take it with you on the road. First is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. This is incredible. I don't know what magic is in this bottle. It's not just a straight up lavender scent, there's a blend. It does fall within the travel requirement size. It's under 3 ounces. And you spray this on your pillow or your linens around. I personally will spray this on my pillow and then the top edge of my blanket. So if I, cuddle under it, I can get the full envelopment of the scent. Probably should not be smelling this now. I'm already tired. I don't need any extra help falling asleep right now. If you spray this regularly each night as you go to sleep, it almost helps you train your brain to recognize this is the scent you want to smell when it's time to go to sleep, and it will help you fall asleep faster. And then it also comes with a roller ball. You can roll this on your wrists, anywhere you want. It doesn't irritate the skin. I have used this before behind your ears. I've even, in a pinch, rolled this on my pillowcase as well. Same scent, and it's incredible. In an earlier video, I had mentioned that Barefoot Dreams, again, had the Cozy Chic socks. Well, we broke the internet. We sold them out at Nordstrom. They're gone. However, I found, I think perhaps an even better option, because these are the Nordstrom butter socks. And the reviews on this are incredible. I think it's up to the thousands. People love them. They come in solids. I have this gray with polka dots. I have pink and white stripes. They feel like butter. They are $12 a pair, or 3 or more for 10 each. So I picked up 3. And they're just, it's similar to the Barefoot Dreams material, but a much better price point and far more color options. So these make a great gift for yourself, somebody else. And again, you don't need to know their size. You just grab a bunch of different colors, stay neutral. I actually decided on this black pair because I actually have a lot of black pajamas and I felt like this would be a little chicer look. I don't know, we shall see. Now I did break my rule. I went over the $50 mark, but not by much. This one is $59. If you want something luxurious, cashmere is the way to go, but cashmere can be very, very expensive. I looked. This is a great way to give someone some cashmere that's not socks, because that is one budget-friendly way to give someone some cashmere. I'm gonna have to take this hat off because I found this hat from Halogen and I still have the tag on. I guess I'm keeping it because I'm putting it on my head. This does come in other colors. It's a cashmere blend hat. Here, let me shrink down so you can see it. It's so soft. This is, oh, I love it. I love this color. It's very neutral. It's gonna go with all of my winter clothes. So admittedly, these are a few gifts from myself. Hopefully whoever is receiving the rest of these isn't watching. But anyway, I think this is a great way to give someone some cashmere, add a little luxury to a gift without spending $200 or $300 on a different kind of cashmere. And then, you know what, let's just leave it on. The last item is something I have been talking about for years now. It's incredible. I bought another one. And this would be great if you have the time to run in the store and get it monogrammed. This would be a great piece to do that. It is, in fact, another Nordstrom Kennebunk Bliss, is it Bliss Plush Throw? Can you see through the camera how soft this is? The fringes. At full price, it's $39.95. They occasionally go on sale, even this time of year, $27, $23. It just sort of depends. Sometimes specific colors are on sale, but even full price, this ivory shade is incredible. It's neutral. It goes with whatever decor somebody has in their house, but there's about a dozen other shades to choose from if this doesn't do it for you. It is so soft. It's a good size. I'll put the measurements in the description box below. I highly recommend this as a gift. If you give this to anyone, you will be their favorite person for a very long time. There are a few more gifts that I want to talk about that I didn't actually purchase this time around, but I still think are worth mentioning. One of them I happen to be wearing. They are the, let's just call them faux diamonds, shall we? I mean, they're cubic zirconia, but whatever. The Nordstrom brand faux diamond studs. They come in a variety of sizes. I believe mine are the 3 or 4 carat weight is what I think they are. They're just a great classic piece of jewelry. They're very well made. They're great for people with sensitive ears. I'm one of those people. They don't irritate my skin. It's a piece of jewelry they will reach for almost any occasion. You cannot go wrong gifting these to anyone who wears earrings. A couple other ones. I've mentioned this almost every year in a gift guide. It's because it is a great gift. It's the Kate Spade initial necklace. I think it's called 1 in a Million. You will need to know their first initial of their name. Hopefully, you know the name of the person to whom you are giving a gift. Just pick their initial, and on the front, it comes in gold or silver, I believe, and it has on the front their initial, and on the back, it has, I think it says you're 1 in a million or something sweet like that. It's a nice, very reasonably priced gift and very wearable and can be layered. It's a beautiful piece of jewelry. Another one that has been very popular, sells out every year. It's not something they carry year-round, so I wanted to make mention of it because it's available now, at least as I'm filming this. It's the Nordstrom at-home recipe cocktail shaker. It's a gold cocktail shaker, and depending on how you twist it, it lists on the side the ingredients and the amounts that you need to make various cocktails. It's a fun gift. It's a beautiful piece to have on display somewhere in your kitchen or bar area. I just think it's fun. Another great gift item that is gender neutral that I actually have is the Herschel Dop Kit. This is just another great, whether you're a man or a woman, I love having options of like ways to store stuff. So it's a great toiletry bag. It has the nice hook. It has the waterproof lining. It does have, I don't know if you can tell this just by looking, it does have a nice zippered outside pocket that runs the length of the bag. And then inside it has netting over here, like a slip pocket. I think that's the only pocket, yes. And then the waterproof lining on the inside and the zip top. Great bag, popular with men and women, and again, really good price point. This is $35. I've had this one for years and years and years, and it still looks brand new. And then I would be remiss if I didn't just address a couple of makeup options. The first one, again, I've mentioned several times already this year. I mentioned every year. It's the Laura Mercier. I think this year they're calling it the Très Riche hand and body cream set. It's a set of, is it 3 or 4? You think I would know by now. Travel size hand and body creams in different scents. They're beautiful. You can give the whole thing as one gift, or you can split up the set and pair it with other things to hand out. And then this is on my wish list. I didn't pick it up, but I think it's a great little gift for a makeup lover because it's the NARS Studio 54 travel size Dolce Vita set. It's a travel size blush of the Dolce Vita blush and a travel size mini velvet matte Dolce Vita lipstick. The shade is a brighter shade, but it's on the neutral side. And I bought, I believe it was last year, that same set, maybe it's 2 years ago now. I've had it for a while. It was the Madly shade. And that travel size blush I use constantly, and I haven't even made a dent in it. So I think it's a really great gift that they're actually gonna get quite a lot of use out of. That was bad grammar. Let me try that again. I think they will get quite a lot of use out of that gift. There we go. That was getting harder to say than I thought it would. Anyway, that's a great size, and it's perfect for travel or throwing in your bag, or for throwing perhaps in a travel bag. Anyway, I hope that helps you. I know we don't have a lot of time before Hanukkah starts in just, I think, the 22nd, the evening. Obviously, Christmas is right around the corner as well. So I hope this helped you get some of those last minute items that if you still have some people you need to cross off your list. Let me know in the comments below. Do any of these things look appealing to you? Have you already picked up some of them? Are you done with your shopping? Are you one of those people who are just super organized? And if you are, how long has it been? Have you been done since before Thanksgiving? Was it just yesterday you finished up? Were you done in August? I would love to know. As always, thank you to Nordstrom for choosing to work with me. It is always a pleasure and an honor to be able to create a sponsored video for Nordstrom. Thank you to all of you for giving me these opportunities. You know they wouldn't happen without you, or I'd be sitting here talking to myself. Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.